Chalo. Today we are going to discuss one more important topic. It is not regarding to studies. So during this 30 days time, how can you manage our time? How can you manage our timetable? So what are time management skills? Not only chemistry and all subject area, you can go for brief description. So brief discussion with all the students who are watching this video. So very simple, Panna. How to score 160 plus marks in chemistry. So first I go for chemistry, how to score. Then I can go for general topics. How to manage the time. In between, in while also. We can discuss how to manage time. This is most important. Right? Chalo. One by one we are going to discuss. Acha, how to score 160 plus in chemistry? Actually, it is possible to get 160 plus. Very simple, Panda. Acha, this year, the competition is going to be very tough. Because everybody knows paper seems to be very easy. Paper seems to be very easy. If they are giving paper very easy, then everybody score 600 plus marks only. 600 plus marks also not safe zone. Really, I'm telling you. The reason in paper seems to be very easy. When paper easy, your practice, your time management skills only counts the matter. Acha, 160 plus 180 plus also not a difficult task for you, my dear students. 160 plus, just like biology, you read the chemistry and NCERT, definitely you can get 160 plus marks. 160 means 180 out of 180 also. But I go for 160 plus concisely. How to get 160 marks in chemistry? First I go for, after that we can discuss time factor only. So what are the important topics we are going to study? This is my last 10 years NEET paper ka, APMT paper ka analysis. Not my general perception here. Last 10 years analysis mein, yes, I conclude this chapter. Chalo. Acha, first we go for chemical bonding. So देखो chemical bonding में they may ask the question from inorganic chemistry also, organic chemistry also. Acha, inorganic chemistry में you can give the more priority for chemical bonding. More priority for chemical bonding. Every year they may ask the question 2 to 3 questions. Every year you can check last 10 year का question paper है. Every year they are asking 2 to 3 questions on chemical bonding. Very important chapter है inorganic. I pick inorganic में 2 important chapter है. एक chemical bonding है, एक complex compounds. अच्छा, you believe it or not, inorganic में you can focus chemical bonding and complex compounds है. Definitely 5 to 6 questions आएंगे. 5 to 6 means 6 question means 6 into 4 25 marks are easily आएंगे. Among these two chapters only, definitely we can get maximum marks inorganic. First category A में I can select only 6 chapters. These 6 chapters are very important. देखो, electrochemistry में, physical chemistry में I can pick only one chapter है electrochemistry. They may ask more priority for electrochemistry, particularly for biology students. अच्छा, 3 questions are definitely. Electrochemistry is a combination of redox reactions also. Electrochemistry combination of thermodynamics also. Electrochemistry combination of equilibrium also. So the most priority chapter in physical chemistry is nothing but electrochemistry. And GOC. This is ultimate. You are very familiar with GOC. Organic chemistry seems to be very easy. If we are familiar with GOC, organic chemistry very easy. Acha, maximum 3 questions are coming from GOC. 3 questions mean acidic character हो सकता है, basic character हो सकता है, like intermediate stability of intermediates हो सकता है, isomerism है, anyone. GOC is very important. GOC plays very important role. Reagents है. Acha, one more video I can make complete named organic reaction which are given NCERT. I will make one video. Like one video I will make for only specific reagents. Reagents के लिए I will make one more video. Simple thing, not go for detailed. अच्छा, how to pick the answers on. Simple thing I can make, don't worry, I can make one video for complete organic named reaction के लिए, complete organic reagents के लिए, right? अच्छा, haloalkanes. अच्छा, haloalkanes separately no need to study है. अच्छा, haloalkanes में 12th standard में SN1 mechanism है, SN2 mechanism है, E1 mechanism है, E2 mechanism है, Sandwich reactions है, named reactions है. I covered one video complete organic named reaction because most of the named reactions are there here. Finkelstein reaction है, Schwarz reaction है, Hunsaker reaction है, Sandwich reaction है, Gattermann's reaction है, like Wurtz reaction है, Wurtz fitting reaction है, fitting reaction है. Most of the named reaction E1, E2 mechanisms and only benzene is intermediate compound, all are given in haloalkanes only. So no need to go for separately haloalkanes. Substitution reaction, elimination reaction counts all the things only, right? Then aldehyde ketones. Acha, majority of the named reactions are covered these two chapters only. Like aldol condensation है, Cannizzaro reaction है, Perkins reaction है, benzoyl condensation है, glacial condensation है. Like most of the named reactions are coming from these two chapters only. Acha, my previous analysis, last 10-year papers analysis है, you can pick this 6 chapters है. They are asking on average 15 questions. They are asking on an average 15 questions. That means 15 into 4 है, 60 marks are coming from these 6 chapters. Now you decide. Achha, you will give the more priority for these chapters. This is my category A का chapter है. Category A का chapters है. Achha, you can focus more in these chapters है. Definitely you can score 60 marks or easily you can score 60 marks I can see. Achha, remember these are my priority, first priority category A का chapters है. Achha, 180 out of getting 180 out of 180, you can read all the chapters, sir, but priority based. Suppose मैंने nomenclature studied 1 week, there is no use. They are asking one or none question. What is use of what you are doing the hard work? If your batsman is hitting the ball very hardly, ball is directly going to the fielder, there is no use. Na? How much you hit the ball only? You directly go to the fielder, there is no use. Achha, one chapter which are not given in a NEET examination, you are continuously reading the same chapter for 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 1 week. There is no use. Ultimately, loss is your time only. This 30 days time factor is very important. Time management skills are very important. So pick the important chapter. You have to revise thoroughly. An unimportant chapter means very rare cases they are asking the questions. I give the less time only. I'm not telling less time, and we will give the just NCERT is reading is enough for those chapters only. Right? Chalo. This is my first priority chapter, science, chemistry. These 6 chapters I can give category A method. Now I can go for. अच्छा देखो, स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर है, सॉलिड स्टेट है, केमिकल काइनेटिक्स है, सरफेस केमिस्ट्री है, सॉल्यूशंस, अच्छा रिडॉक्स रिएक्शंस, एस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स, मेटलर्जी, आइसोमेरी. अच्छा, among all the chapters previously asked only 10 questions. I said na, suppose you studied isomerism 3 days, 4 days. अच्छा, एक दिन कन्फर्मेशन आइसोमेरिज्म है, एक दिन ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेरिज्म है, एक दिन स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म है, एक दिन थर्डोमेरिज्म है, एक दिन जीओसी है. अच्छा, you studied 1 week. They are asking one or none. अच्छा, 2020 में एक क्वेश्चन भी नहीं पूछा आइसोमेरिज्म के बारे में. Not asked that, but you are giving more priority for those chapters. What I am telling that in the chapter, yes, they may ask the question only, but out of all these, they may ask only 10 questions. My priority here, they will ask the questions, 10 questions only out of this chapter, 10 into 4, only 40 marks. अच्छा देखो, 60 marks के लिए 4 chapter, 5 chapter है, 6 chapter है. अच्छा, 10 chapter के लिए 40 marks. You can pick the isomerism. They asked only one or none previously 10 years का question. One or none only. अच्छा, what I am telling you that instead of leaving the topic, just you can read our notebook or your NCERT book. Then while practicing the papers, grand test paper, model paper, while practicing grand test paper, model paper, you have to solve isomerism what questions are asked. and that too very simple basic level questions are only asking need examination. Don't go for band, don't waste your time on, my dear students. Time is very crucial for it. This 30 days plays very important role. Time factor is only important role, not concept, not applications. So देखो states of matter also आप देख लीजिए last 10 years में one or none. Either they ask one question or none. अच्छा 1 year states of matter में क्वेश्चन पूछा सॉलिड स्टेट में नहीं आता है क्वेश्चन. Like surface chemistry क्वेश्चन पूछता है one or these are one or none. I am telling that. Solution में भी one question. अच्छा solution में क्वेश्चन पूछता है सॉलिड स्टेट में नहीं आता. Means out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, out of 9 chapters, they are asking 10 questions. Means priority less, but I am not suggesting the students don't leave these topics. But NCERT reading is enough for this. After reading the NCERT, go for previously asked question ka practice papers. That is more than enough. Don't waste of your time on the right now for these chapters. Just our notes है, NCERT book reading है, thoroughly you can read है, formula based है. Suppose states of matter में, solid state में, formula based question ज्यादा है, direct formula substitution questions are ज्यादा है. Don't waste your time on what I am telling you. Finally, my conclusion. Right? अच्छा, and next my priority है, देख लीजिए, ये वाला भी very important है, but lengthy chapters हैं, देखो. Atomic structure में. अच्छा देखो previously 15 questions हैं, 10 questions हैं, 25 questions हैं. अच्छा remaining 25 questions are coming from this chapter. Because this year they are giving you 50 questions. Actually my analysis है among this chapter previously 22 questions are asked. I add 3 more questions from these chapters. अच्छा देखो 10 questions हैं and 15 questions हैं, 25 questions over. अच्छा remaining 25 questions of these chapters. Remaining 25 questions of these chapters. अच्छा here among all the chapter 25 into 4 is 100 marks. 100 marks. अच्छा देखो atomic structure में one question है. Definitely they will ask one question atomic structure. If they are definite करो. अच्छा here also don't waste our time after reading NCERT textbook our notes हैं. Better you can go for previous asked questions for practice purpose. Any model paper question है practice purpose. Don't go for band because 1 or 2 questions only they are asking that. अच्छा ionic equilibrium में Kc ionic और chemical equilibrium में Kc value है, Kp values है, like pH values है, solubility product है, like buffer solution है, common ion effect है, this kind of questions are they are asking. अच्छा biomolecular polymer में 1 or 2 questions are asking library है. Last recently 5 years का paper analysis है. Biomolecule में they are asking the questions like carbohydrates है, amino acids है, proteins है. अच्छा very less chances for asking RNA DNA questions है, very less chance है. But carbohydrates का, amino acids का more chance for asking the questions है. Priority based है. अच्छा देखो P block है, P block है, इतना खराब था P block है. Because 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So after studying all this, they are asking 1 or 2 questions. 1 or 2. I am not suggesting you to leave this topic. My suggestion for all the students only, just read NCERT is enough, and as much as possible you have to practice the inorganic questions from the model papers and previous asked questions. That's it. My suggestion. Because after studying 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, they are asking 1 or 2 questions. अच्छा, model paper is practicing enough for those questions. NCERT reading is more than enough for that question. For people के लिए suppose you are sparing 10 days time ना inorganic complete inorganic के लिए that is a waste of your time only. The time plays a very important role this 30 days time. Then D1 block में एक question आएंगे or not. 1 or none is possible D and F block. अच्छा same funda you have to follow this. अच्छा alcohol, ether and phenols के लिए yes maybe 2 questions they may ask. Name reactions also there. Wolff's electrolysis है, Riemann-Tiemann reaction है, Williamson synthesis है, like Lucas test है, like some name reactions also there they may ask questions है, dehydration reactions है, like Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule. Everything is come in alcohols chapter only because preparation of alcohol, hydration of alkenes. Everything is come in this category only, right? Acha, chemistry of life are one or none. One or none only. Chemistry of life. Acha, they will ask anything. Antibiotics, antacids, analgesics, narcotic and non-narcotic, like antiseptic, disinfectants. Example they will ask. For this also, NCERT reading is enough. If possible, you have to practice more questions. Previous class questions. अच्छा hydrocarbon, entire hydrocarbon, alkane, alkene, alkyne, benzene. Entire hydrocarbon में one up, entire hydrocarbon. Again, the same thing is repeated ना. Like I said ना, entire hydrocarbon से मतलब क्या है? Isomerism आता है, right? And general methods of preparation of GOC. And don't give them much time for these chapters. If you read it thoroughly NCERT, that is more than enough for these chapters. Like thermodynamics. Thermodynamics already you studied in physics, mein. Chemistry also you studied thermodynamics. One or two questions they will ask. Suppose one question thermodynamics, one question thermophysics. Our entire mein one chapter. On an average, actually amines also very important. Amines may be name reaction jata hai. And basic character they are asking amines. Previous asked question analysis, most of the questions are amines में basic nature. Or Gabriel-Thalmann synthesis का preparation, all the limitation, carbon element tester limitation है, basic nature है, optical isomerism का limitations क्या है. Only limitation methods are only they are asking in amines. Amines में benzene diazonic chloride also include है, Sandemann's reaction है, Gattermann's reaction है, everything is possibility there. They ask the questions like that amines. Overall, this is a my study. अच्छा, my conclusion, final conclusion is. अच्छा, it is visible. My conclusion is, अच्छा, revise NCERT concepts, thoroughly NCERT concepts. Don't waste our time only. Now this is, if previously not read, leave it. Previously you read, just revise NCERT concepts. अच्छा, in NCERT में in-test questions है. You have to practice in-test questions. NCERT in-test questions है. अच्छा, whether inorganic, organic, physical है. Thoroughly, don't miss even one question also. In-test questions है. उसका solution भी देता है. And exercise में some important problems you have to do it exercises. And a solid example also, don't leave even one single solid example also in NCERT test. All solid example once again you can check it what are the given NCERT test. And neat mock test papers. As much as possible you have to practice more papers. Because time, I am telling you next what is the time factor. Then previous asked questions last 10 years APMT and NEET. If possible, if anybody wants 180 out of 180, then you have to go for AIMS ka question. But this year I'm precisely telling that APMT NEET last 10 years ka question hai. I'm telling you confidently last 10 years ka question paper of revise karo 40 to 50% similar kind of questions are repeating. Achha, you can score 50% of the marks. Similar, not exactly same question I'm telling you. 50% of the similar questions are repeating. After the end of the each and every chapter, definitely you can go for previous class APMT NEET question. Now I am going for time factor. How much time you have to take in final examination of NEET examination for chemistry paper? Chemistry paper, like we can imagine physics ke liye bhi, bio ke liye bhi, you have to decide. Now I am going for. अच्छा देखो, I am going for time factor कैसा है? अच्छा, how to go for time factor? I to go time factor. अच्छा, I am suggesting you, my dear student, all the students only, every day, pick 45 questions, 50 questions, or practice like that. Pick 30 questions. To pick 30 questions. Chemistry also, physics also, bio also. Just I am telling you simple technique. First day one. This 30 questions from previously questions also, NEET mock test paper also, any your NCERT book also, any objective question also. We pick 30 questions. Please don't see the solutions. Acha, feel like that this is the final NEET examination. Acha, 30 question का first attempt में आप 35 minutes दो. 30 क्वेश्चन का आफ्टर फर्स्ट डे 1 है 35 मिनट्स तो 30 क्वेश्चन. अच्छा, how many you are able to solve? You have to solve those questions. Don't try to solve 30 question out of 35 minutes. Don't go for temptation. अच्छा, tempt का हो 10 मिनट. 35 minutes लो, how many questions you are going to solve it? अच्छा, 20 questions are leave it. 15 questions are leave it. But try to solve it 30 question out of 35 minutes. अच्छा, first attempt is not possible. अच्छा, try करो. Every day you try करो. Every day try करो. Every day try करो. अच्छा, at the end है, अब कैसा ट्राई करना? 30 क्वेश्चन है, अब 20 to 20 मिनट्स में करना. At the end of the one day, like after 5 days or after 1 week, after 10 days, and definitely less than 1 minute you have to answer the question. Definitely, practice only makes you perfect. That's it. No other factor. Not a complete concept and not complete application. Your practice only makes you perfect. Because in final examination, what happens while reading also 1 minute over some questions. Acha, repeatedly, continuously, you repeat the same funda in physics also, in biology also. Acha, what I am telling that 30 question है, suppose 30 question में physical भी था, inorganic भी था, organic था, suppose. अच्छा, inorganic, organic, you know exactly answer है. Less than 1 minute you have to put 2 to 3 questions are easy. Physical chemistry के लिए 2 minutes होता है, suppose I have to agree. But how many questions होता है? Problems, how many questions that they will provide you? Maximum 10 है, maximum 10 है, maximum 10 है, 10 into 2 minutes है. Calculation के लिए, reading के लिए, option checking के लिए 10 into 2 20 minutes है, 20 minutes है. अच्छा, 10 क्वेश्चन के लिए 20 क्वेश्चन के लिए 20 मिनट्स में करना. रिमेनिंग फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री है, इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. अच्छा, इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री सपोज व्हाट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट, व्हाट यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट इन फाइनल एग्जामिनेशन में ऑर्गेनिक में वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग 17 क्वेश्चंस है. अच्छा, इन फिजिकल में वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग 17 क्वेश्चंस है. अच्छा, इनऑर्गेनिक में वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग 16 क्वेश्चंस है. सपोज ऐसा क्वेश्चंस है, देखो 50 क्वेश्चंस वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग. अच्छा, इनऑर्गेनिक ऐसा टॉपिक है, if you know answer is less than 1 minute, 1 minute time you have to answer 2 to 3 questions. No ambiguity at all. अच्छा, in order to answer 60 question, how much time is taken? Maximum से maximum 10 minutes है. इतना से ज्यादा नहीं लेना है इनऑर्गेनिक. Maximum 10 minutes है. अच्छा, what I am telling that for this I go for 10 minutes time only. 16 क्वेश्चन के लिए 10 मिनट्स मोर देन एनफ है. 10 मिनट्स टाइम ओनली आई एम गोइंग फॉर इट. अच्छा, फिजिक्स के लिए, अच्छा फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री के लिए आउट ऑफ 70 ना आई गो फॉर 25 मिनट्स. सपोज मोर देन 1 मिनट, सपोज आई गो फॉर 25 मिनट्स के लिए, 25 मिनट्स के लिए. अच्छा, इतना टाइम भी नहीं लगेगा, 20 मिनट्स लगेगा, 20 मिनट्स लगेगा. अच्छा, पेपर सीम्स वेरी इजी. अच्छा, पेपर इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर अदर्स, difficult for you, others also difficult only na. Don't think like that. अच्छा, ऑर्गेनिक के लिए 17 क्वेश्चन है. आई थिंक यू कैन 12 मिनट्स में और 13 मिनट्स में 10 मिनट्स में यू हैव टू आंसर 17 क्वेश्चन. बिकॉज़ ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग मोर लाइक नेम्ड रिएक्शंस है, रिएजेंट्स है, लाइक वेरी सिंपल फंडा. इफ यू नो ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री टाइम नहीं लगेगा. फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री में टाइम लगेगा बिकॉज़ थोड़ा एप्लीकेशन स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड है, थोड़ा न्यूमेरिकल्स है, थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन है, एसआई यूनिट, सीजीएस यूनिट, कन्वर्शंस ఏమి ఇచ్చారు, ఆప్షన్లు ఏమి ఇచ్చారు, ఎస్ఐ యూనిట్ ఇచ్చారు. మీన్స్ सम टाइम इज रिक्वायर्ड फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री के लिए. बट ऑर्गेनिक इनऑर्गेनिक के लिए टाइम नहीं लगेगा. इफ यू नो, बिकॉज़ दे आर नॉट गिविंग मच मैकेनिज्म्स इन नीट एग्जामिनेशन. दे आर गिविंग वेरी सिंपल मैकेनिज्म्स है. बेसिकली और क्वेश्चंस ओनली दे आर आस्किंग यू. अच्छा, ऐसा प्रैक्टिस करना आप. यहां भी आप मैक्सिमम 12 मिनट्स तक ले लो. अच्छा, कितना होगा? 32 प्लस 42 मिनट्स होगा. अच्छा, आने 40 मिनट्स में कंप्लीट करना केमिस्ट्री का पेपर. अच्छा, अभी टाइम लगेगा 10 मिनट्स का ओएमआर भरने के लिए. यू गो फॉर ओएमआर. अच्छा, आई एम टेलिंग दैट डोंट आंसर ऑल द क्वेश्चंस है. अच्छा నేను చెప్తుంది ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు ఆన్సర్ 50 క్వశ్చన్ आप 40 मिनट्स लगेगा. सपोज इफ यू आर एबल टू आंसर ओनली 35 क्वेश्चन है, 30 मिनट्स में कंप्लीट होता है आपका केमिस्ट्री का. अच्छा आउट ऑफ 50 यू आर गोइंग टू आंसर ओनली 40 क्वेश्चन है, हाफ एन आवर में कंप्लीट होता है. ये 10 मिनट्स रिलैक्स है, एक वन मोर टाइम यू हैव टू रिवाइज. अच्छा ये फंडा किसके लिए मैंने, टॉपर्स के लिए, वो आउट ऑफ 180 आउट ऑफ 180 के इतना टाइम लगेगा. बट सपोज एवरेज स्टूडेंट्स है, अबव एवरेज स्टूडेंट्स के लिए you are not able to answer all 45 questions and no doubt at all. Either you can answer 35 question है 40 question है. अच्छा 40 question के लिए टाइम कम लग गया ना, you can utilize this time for revision, once again revision है. And 5 to 10 minutes है you can spare for OMR filling. अच्छा entire chemistry you have to fill one time, but don't fill OMR all 4 subjects are one time. zoology के लिए you can spare one specific time for OMR है, बोटनी के लिए. अदरवाइज इन्हीं सीक्वेंस में गड़बड़ होता है ना, एंटायर पेपर गॉन. अच्छा 2 years time what you hard work is vanished. Beware of filling the OMR. Right. So this is an important factor. Time management skills are required only. So you have no time management skills है, you have knowledge है, you have application है, so you are more practiced है, doesn't matter, no use at all. The only thing is who are going to succeed in this year is who can manage the time. That's it. Smart work. What I am telling that smart work. Hard work से नहीं रैंक बनते हैं आपका, स्मार्ट वर्क से भी आपको अच्छा रैंक मिलेगा. So you have to practice for each and every subject like this only. अच्छा 40 मिनट से ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा, आपका माइंड में फिक्स होना चाहिए. अच्छा मेरा केमिस्ट्री पेपर 40 मिनट्स में खत्म होना, मेरा बायोलॉजी पेपर 60 मिनट्स में खत्म होना, टोटल बॉटनी जूलॉजी 60 मिनट्स में खत्म होना. सो मेरा ये वाला फिजिक्स का पेपर 1 आवर में खत्म होना. ये फंडा आपका माइंड में लगना चाहिए. अदरवाइज इफ यू आर नॉट, टाइम फैक्टर इज नॉट पॉसिबल ना, वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट द स्कोर. अच्छा ఇంకొకటి సింపుల్ టెక్నిక్ చెప్తాను. సింపుల్ టెక్నిక్ అంటే अच्छा don't mind whether you are following or not following, I am telling you a simple technique for it. What is simple technique है? अच्छा suppose your score is somehow stagnant is 520. Suppose you are open category, I am telling you about open category students. अच्छा open category students के लिए 550 plus only सेव था, 550 plus only सेव था, am I right? अच्छा ओपन कैटेगरी ओसी ओपन कैटेगरी के लिए, अच्छा ओपन कैटेगरी के लिए अच्छा सेफ जोन है, सेफ जोन होता है 550 प्लस है. ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज आल्सो नॉट सेफ जोन, बट लेट्स इमेजिन इवन लाइक प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज आल्सो, एक कैटेगरी में प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में 550 नॉट सेफ जोन है, गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज में सेफ जोन है 600 प्लस ओनली ओपन कैटेगरी. I am discussing about open category only. Later, after the exam is over, I can discuss all categories. अच्छा 550 plus is the main target. अच्छा suppose मेरा स्कोर सामने स्टक हो रहा है, अच्छा 520 तक और 510 तक मेरा स्कोर स्टक हो रहा है, इतना से ज्यादा बढ़ता है, then you can take a risk. अच्छा रिस्क अच्छा रिस्क का फैक्टर कैसे, why I am telling you risk means when you take the risk out of 4 options, this is elimination round में, what I am telling you elimination round में. अच्छा elimination round में you take a risk, elimination round में you take a risk. अच्छा elimination कैसे होता है, there are suppose there are 4 options है, there are 4 options है A B C D. अच्छा सम क्वेश्चन ऐसा होता है ऑटोमेटिकली 2 ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं आप. अच्छा करेक्ट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू आइडेंटिफाई, बट इनकरेक्ट इज यू कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाई दैट. सम क्वेश्चन में नॉट आई एम नॉट टेलिंग द ऑल क्वेश्चन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सम क्वेश्चंस में एलिमिनेशन राउंड कैसा होता है, सपोज न्यूमेरिकल्स में ऑल द अबव करेक्ट नहीं होता है, न्यूमेरिकल्स में ऑल द अबव करेक्ट नहीं होता है. none of the above is correct नहीं होता है, rare cases है. Generally you can see previously asked NEET का question है, APMT question है, whenever a question is given option में all the above is given, more than 50% correct होगा, but numerical में नहीं correct होता. None of the above का correct chance very less है, only 10 to 20% है. None of the above the answer correct है, only 10 to 20% है. Why I am telling you risk है, अच्छा risk है, both factor, advantage also there, advantage also more there. I will tell you how you can benefit this elimination round. अच्छा suppose two options are you are eliminating, अच्छा out of A B में you can pick more chances are there to correct that option. Elimination round कैसे eliminate होता है? Suppose NCERT में एक terminology नहीं है, you read NCERT है, 4 option में NCERT में वो word you are not read, eliminate करो, that is not answer है. अच्छा 90% of the case में that is not an answer. You read NCERT thoroughly, bio also, like physics also, chemistry also. Those words you never read in NCERT, that is not a correct answer, no doubt at all. You have to eliminate that question, that option also. Like none of the above and all the above में more cases में correct answer होता है. अच्छा this risk है, when I am telling risk है, elimination round is possible. Out of A and C, out of A and D, out of A and B, only one option is correct in your mind. Then you can take elimination. अच्छा advantage చెప్తాను, elimination round లో advantage చెప్తాను. Elimination round లో what is advantage I am telling you. Advantage చెప్తాను elimination round. Suppose the students, suppose you want to leave the 20 questions. अच्छा 20 questions అలాంటి questions అంటే elimination round లో ఉపయోగపడే questions 20 ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి. Out of 200 questions. ఒక 200 క్వశ్చన్ లో ఒక 20 క్వశ్చన్స్ లో మీరు అచ్చా ఆప్షన్ ఎలిమినేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బయాలజీలో కానీ ఫిజిక్స్ లో కానీ కెమిస్ట్రీలో కానీ ఒక 20 క్వశ్చన్ ఆప్షన్ ఎలిమినేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అచ్చా మీరు ఆప్షన్ ఎలిమినేట్ చేసుకోకుండా 20 క్వశ్చన్స్ వదిలేశారంటే 20 into 4 80 marks are lost from your total. Am I right? Suppose you are not answering this 20 questions है, then total marks है आपका 80 marks खत्म हो गया. And that means you are attempting to only 640 marks. 640 marks के लिए, that's it. 80 gone it. No negative also, 80 gone it. But you are able to eliminate those 20 questions. అనుకున్నా 20 చాలా ఉంటాయి తెలియని, కానీ 20 క్వశ్చన్స్ మనకి ఎలా ఉంటాయి అంటే అచ్చా 3 ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్ అయితే డోంట్ గో ఫర్ ఎలిమినేషన్ రౌండ్. అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 4 2 కరెక్ట్ అనిపిస్తే యు గో ఫర్ ఎలిమినేషన్ రౌండ్. अच्छा रिस्क है, बट रिस्क में भी बेनिफिट होता है. आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाट इज द रिस्क है, व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट है. सपोज आउट ऑफ दिस 20 क्वेश्चन में इफ यू टेक ए रिस्क, मींस एलिमिनेशन राउंड में रिस्क लेना है. अच्छा 20 क्वेश्चन में सपोज 12 क्वेश्चन है करेक्ट है, फिर ए बी ओनली 2 ऑप्शन करेक्ट है ना. अच्छा यू कैन गो फॉर योर माइंड परसेप्शन. अच्छा दिस ये करेक्ट है, बी करेक्ट है, ए करेक्ट है, बी करेक्ट है. Don't go for lottery, but mind concept है. Because you already eliminated 2 options है, आपके पास 2 option है, 20 क्वेश्चन आपके पास है 2 option का. This is practice from tomorrow onwards on, and check your luck also. अच्छा 20 क्वेश्चन है, you have picked the 20 क्वेश्चन है. 20 क्वेश्चन में सपोज गलत भी होता है ना, 20 करेक्ट नहीं होता है, बस 20 करेक्ट होता है ना, लकी है और लकी. 20 में सपोज 12 करेक्ट है, 12 into 4 है 48 marks. अच्छा that means 8 इनकरेक्ट है, 8 इनकरेक्ट है, 8 इनकरेक्ट है, कहता है -8 है. कितना मार्क्स आया? अच्छा कितना मार्क्स गए आप? अच्छा यू आर इन 520 प्लस है, 530 प्लस है, बेनिफिट है आपका. चलो सर ना అదృష్టం అసలు బాగాలేదు సార్, దరిద్రం అనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. अच्छा 8 क्वेश्चन से करेक्ट అనుకున్నాం, అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 20 లో 8 కరెక్ట్ అనుకున్నాం, 8 కరెక్ట్ అనుకున్నాం. 8 into 4 ఎంత? 32. అంటే how many questions are incorrect? 12 questions are incorrect. मतलब -12 है. अच्छा 20 आएगा ना आपका, 80 का या 20 आएगा ना आपका. एनी दिस रिस्क है, रिस्क में बेनिफिट होता है. सर నాకు 20 కరెక్ట్ ఇన్కరెక్ట్ అయితే अच्छा ఆ ఛాన్స్ ఎప్పుడు 20 ఇన్కరెక్ట్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది, 4 ఆప్షన్ తెలియనప్పుడు. డజంట్ నో ది 4 ఆప్షన్, దెన్ డోంట్ టేక్ ది రిస్క్. as idea नहीं ले दो question में, don't take a risk. You have an idea. अच्छा, your mind say that A or B, A or B, or A and C, A and D. Your mind says that A and B. Then you take a risk. इसके लिए एक टाइम बचाओ आप. तो 20 minutes, 30 minutes टाइम बचाओ. You can get extra marks for you. Very simple funda. Suppose instead of going 80 marks, हमको at least 20 marks आए. अच्छा देखो 15 क्वेश्चन सर गलत है. तो 15 गलत है. हमारा टाइम इज नॉट गुड है. 15 गलत है. एंड देखो 15 into 15 sorry means which are how many correct है? Only 5 correct है, right? Only 5 correct है. 5 into 4 20 है. 15 गलत है. अच्छा ये नहीं हो 5 मार्क्स आए ना, 5 मार्क्स भी आए. वर्स्ट कंडीशन में व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू 15 इनकरेक्ट है वर्स्ट कंडीशन में, बिकॉज 2 ऑप्शन करेक्ट है. डेफिनेटली 50% चांस है करेक्ट होने का. एंड सम इफ luck is in our favor, then out of 18 also correct है, 16 also correct है, sometime 19 also correct है, because you are not going for lottery for this question है. you are going for mind game है. माइंड गेम का मतलब क्या है? आउट ऑफ 4 ऑप्शन में यू आर एलिमिनेटिंग 2 ऑप्शन है. अच्छा व्हिच आर नॉट गिवन एनसीईआरटी, यस एलिमिनेट करो. नन ऑफ द अबव, जस्ट एलिमिनेट करो. यू कैन रीड क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. इनकरेक्ट करेक्ट. अच्छा नो वे दिस प्रॉब्लम नो वे रिलेटेड है, एलिमिनेट करो. अच्छा एलिमिनेट करने के बाद आपके पास एक 2 ऑप्शन है, आइदर आई गो फॉर ए और बी, देन यू कैन टेक चांस. रिस्क लेना बहुत जरूरी है. Because suppose sir e advantage ne cheyanante just I am suggesting that ఎవరికైతే 550 దగ్గర 560 దగ్గర 520 దగ్గర 500 దగ్గర ఆగిపోతారో వాళ్ళకి చెప్పండి. అలా అని చెప్పి 4 ఆప్షన్ తెలియకుండా ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ గో ఫర్ దిస్. అచ్చా మనం చెప్తా ఉంటాం కదా టీవీ షోలో పెద్దల పర్యవేక్షణలో చేయబడుతుంది. డోంట్ టేక్ ఎనీ రిస్క్ ఆన్. अच्छा रिस्क ఎప్పుడు తీసుకుంటారంటే కండిషన్స్ ఆర్ అప్లై. అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 4 ఆప్షన్ है 2 ఆప్షన్ ఎలిమినేటెడ్ है వెరీ ఈజీలీ, దెన్ యూ టేక్ ఎ రిస్క్ ఆన్. రిస్క్ తీసుకున్న నేను బెనిఫిట్ చెప్పాను. మీరు రిస్క్ తీసుకున్నా अच्छा 20 కాదు 30 ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి ఇంకా బెనిఫిట్ అవుతారు. అంటే 30 into 4 120 పోతాయి కదా. అసలు 120 పోతే 600 కి ఆన్సర్ చేసేది. మరి ఎంత ఆలి 600 ఆన్సర్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు ఇంకా యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది. 30 క్వశ్చన్ మీకు అలాంటివి ఉంటే, అంటే బయాలజీలో ఒక 10 క్వశ్చన్స్ అలాంటివి, కెమిస్ట్రీలో ఒక 5 క్వశ్చన్స్, ఫిజిక్స్ లో ఒక 5 క్వశ్చన్స్, అలా ఒక 30 క్వశ్చన్స్ కనుక మీరు పిక్ చేసుకోగలిగితే ఎలిమినేషన్ రౌండ్ లో, then you definitely benefit more when compared to this one, right? So time factor is very important. How to fill the OMR sheet is very important. Practice का more practice है. Instead of studying है, go for more practice है. More practice है. Mock test papers है. And each and everything you have to practice. Practice makes you more perfectness. अच्छा बिना परफेक्टनेस है आपका स्कोर 600 प्लस से ज्यादा नहीं होगा. लिख लो. How much you know the subject doesn't matter over. because paper seems too easy. Subject क्या मैटर होता है? नहीं है. मैटर क्या होता है? टाइम मैनेजमेंट. टाइम मैनेज करना बहुत मुश्किल है. प्रैक्टिस में भी मैनेज होता है. Even top rankers also, time management skills only they decide the first rank, second rank, below 100 rank time management skills. Top rankers they can finish the paper, even 50 questions also they will finish paper 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So while reading they can answer the question. While reading they answer the question. That much of practice is required. Right? Chalo, this is a and coming days we are preparing some videos like named organic reactions है, organic reagents का है. If you want, if anybody wants any requirement from your side, I can make a flow charts, alkene है, like chapter wise flow charts सभी है. Inorganic chemistry में formula based है, physical chemistry में formula based chapters हैं. I will give only formula based questions. What kind of question they will ask you? अच्छा, I am helping you. What you requirement है, you tell me the requirement है, then I can make the video. Very simple manner. But don't go for hard work. Smart work is only requirement for this, right? And we are going to conduct this. Suppose coming days we are going to conduct almost 15 to 20 ग्रैंड टेस्ट पेपर्स। एक ग्रैंड टेस्ट पेपर आपको कंडक्ट करता है, ये ग्रैंड टेस्ट बाय हैंड देता है। अच्छा, whatever we are conducting grand test paper, we are explaining the paper to online also, and offline students के लिए एक और पेपर एक्स्ट्रा देता है। मतलब ये वन डे एक पेपर आप प्रैक्टिस के लिए, एक पेपर रिटन टेस्ट। मतलब मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टेस्ट वी आर गोइंग टू कंडक्ट ना, cover variety of the models. We are conducting less papers now, you are writing less papers now, then it is not beneficial for you. More practice is required. That too, don't miss the writing the grand test papers only, mock test papers only. Because while writing the grand test paper, mock test paper, right, during the, suppose chemistry 50 question, during the 1 hour time of the chemistry, you can revise entire 35 chapters of the chemistry. एक बार आप माइंड घूम रहा है कंप्लीट 35 चैप्टर के, राइट? सो सपोज यू आर नॉट राइटिंग द पेपर है, रिवीजन के लिए एक चैप्टर के लिए 1 घंटा चाहता है, बट आफ्टर राइटिंग द पेपर ना, रिवीजन के लिए 1 hour में यू कैन रिवाइज कंप्लीट, आवर माइंड इज रिवाइजिंग कंप्लीट 35 चैप्टर्स ओनली. So don't skip the grand test papers, model papers, previous class papers. Practice more, practice more, practice more. This is my final word, my final conclusion. All the students who are writing NEET examination. So you can ask me after the examination also, sir, you said what is 100% correct? Paper seems to be very easy. The only thing is time factor. Acha, time management skills hai. In any game, any field, time factor only decides your victory. So beware of time. Okay, we are providing the more in coming days. अच्छा देखो, we are providing video lectures है, revision video lectures है, and assignments test series है. Like every Thursday we are conducting, every Sunday we are conducting series है. Like the same day we are doing paper explanation for those weekend syllabus hai, and model test paper hai, many more hai. Acha, next coming days we are providing one app for you, like our SKRMA app we are providing for you. In the app is always available. Acha, nowhere is available in YouTube hai. Coming days mein all videos are available only in our app. If any students are interested hai, please enroll in our app hai. Acha, we can enjoy this online test time and assignments and each and videos are shared. All videos are available, sir. Right? Acha, don't mind, time factor is very important. So be cautious about the time. Don't waste your time.